Hi everyone, Cindy here. Welcome to my channel. This is not a design team video, but it is a share of something I came up with from seeing other videos and wanting something similar. So I, along with my husband's help, created something here, and you're going to be seeing it probably in some of my videos and ask where I got it. So I thought I would just do this video to let you know how we made this, okay? So I had seen these wood ink boxes in other videos where you can store your ink pad and your dauber, and so that you have it here, you're inking, you get your ink out, and it just, it's not hidden under your papers and stuff. You got a nice little box with some rubber feet on the bottom, and I wanted them, and then I looked at them on Etsy and the price, and I'm like, no. So I went to Hobby Lobby, okay? And while I was there, I looked in their unfinished wood box section. It's probably in different places in different stores. So in mine, it's over by the scrapbooking, and or a couple of aisles over from scrapbooking, I should say. And I found these little wooden crates. Now they're called extra small because the size is 5.5 by 3.5 by 1 7/8 high. And what I did is, while I was in the store, I got 2 different ink pads from the scrapbook and to try them out. And I dropped this one in, and I'm like, oh, that fits perfect, right? And then I put this one in, and I thought, oh, that fits perfect. So I bought 2 of these little boxes. Now, online, you can only buy these as a set, a stacking set. You can't buy this one by itself. So I can give you the link to that, but you're going to get bigger boxes that you may not want. I wanted smaller because my space area is small. The ones that I saw on Etsy that you could buy that someone had made were like 6 inches to 8 or 10 inches long, and I'm like, those are just way too big. That is not what I want. I want these smaller ones. So I bought me 2 of these, and then I came home and I told my husband I needed something to fit in that would hold my daubers. So he went out and he made me 2, because if I want to switch this out and not use this one, I could use 2 of my Tim Holtz. And so he had 2 blocks. These are about from his scraps in his shop. So you're going to have someone who's handy with wood to do this. So this is about 1 3/4 wide by 2.5 to fit in the box, and it's about 1.5 inches tall. And he took that tool, I don't know what you call it, that has the paddle, the 1 1/4 inch, where it could cut that, so he cut that hole out so my daubers will fit in, and it will hold the ones with the rounded. And so I'm not gluing it into my box because I want to make it where I can switch it out, or if I just want to use that away. And then this one, I can put my daubers that are made like that. So I have some different ones, so they fit down in there. It's going to be handy if I'm inking, and I'll throw it in the box, and they're there. They're not on the table. I'm kind of excited to have these. I just wanted to share with you if you wanted to make some. If your Hobby Lobby doesn't have these little unfinished wood boxes with handles, that's what they're called, extra small wood boxes with handles, in the little box already made together, unfinished, is it was $2.50, $2.49. And then I bought a gel bottle of oak gel stain while I was there, and I just brushed it on and wiped it off. I'm not even going to finish it. I wanted the wood color because you're going to get ink on this. So that's what I finished it. And then we went to Lowe's, and I bought these little rubber washers. They're in with where the metal washers are, but look for the rubber ones. These are the 3/8 inch ones. And then I bought I had some Gorilla Super Glue Gel, and I used tweezers and very carefully put some dots of the glue on there and glue these on. And I offset them a little bit because I did this set real close to the corners and these in a little bit, because this one, I'm going to make it so that I can stack it when I'm not using them, like that, so I can stack them on my desk and they're out of the way. This fits in pretty tight, so you just have to work it in there, and you can leave the lid off. So I don't know, I'm kind of excited about them. I think these are going to work great, and I knew that you were probably going to ask, where do you buy those? And I wanted to be able to share with you that I made them. If your Hobby Lobby or Michael's doesn't have these kind of boxes, look at their wood boxes. Take your ink pads there in the store, or take yours with you and see what fits in the sizes that you want, because you can make your own, especially if you have your husband or someone, or you yourself know how to make these round holes like that. Now, if you don't have that, you can still use this way. You can just throw these guys. That's what I was going to do. You can just still throw them in there, and they're contained in the box. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you today. So thank you so much. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've got several projects in the works. I'm going to be doing tutorials on those, sharing, and click on the bell if you want to be notified. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye-bye.